bit more olive oil. Did you hear that? Even the oil is happy. Hi, I'm Silvia, and today I want to share with you one of my favorite family dinners, a chicken tray bake. This recipe is fantastic when you need dinner in a hurry. It's really easy to assemble, but most importantly, it is really quick to bake in our beautiful Smeg Omnichef oven. Now, I know most of us would rely on setting the temperature to 180, fan forced, and off you go. But you're limiting your opportunities. With an oven like this, you really want to combine some functions, and that means that you halve the cooking time. When I bake this dish in a normal oven, it takes about 50 minutes, but you'll see this will take less than 30 minutes. I'm starting with some stale bread. It acts like a sponge. All that flavor gets soaked up, and then you get those random crunchy tips that are just the ones your family is going to fight for. So make sure you have more than you think you need. And then some tomatoes just randomly scattered everywhere. This is a very Mediterranean type of chicken dish. I've got baby capers, which are a flavor and salt bomb. And I've got a bit of thyme. Now, at this point, let's pour in a little bit of white wine. I mean, you can just imagine that as this dish bakes, all these aromas are just gonna make you salivate. As it is, amazing. You could just bake this and it'd be like a baked panzanella style dish. But we want some chicken. And I'm just gonna sit it on top of this magical base. As the chicken bakes at that ferocious temperature, and I'm talking about 240 Celsius temperature, all the juices from the chicken and the olive oil, the wine, the tomato juices, they're all gonna be mingling together, creating a self-sourcing roast dinner in under 30 minutes. I know, crazy. Now this has pretty much taken, what, 2 minutes to assemble? That's the labor done. Now we're just gonna be turning the oven on, and I have stored the temperature setting for this recipe under my name. Why not? I'm firstly baking it for 21 minutes at a ferocious 240 degrees, and then for the last few minutes, I just want that top element to just bring a little bit more color. And get this, I don't have to preheat the oven. I'm just gonna put this in now and it's gonna bake in 28 minutes. Well, my job here is done, so I'll see you then. Oh, that smells good. And it looks incredible. Can you believe that this meal was in the oven for only 28 minutes? This is perfect as it is, but I like to add a few finishing touches. Just a little bit more thyme, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, and this is quite thick and sticky, just to dress our tomatoes and the bread. And then it's just a matter of serving and making sure that your family don't steal all that beautiful bread. You are the cook. You get first bite. And there we go. I have cooked this dish hundreds of times, but it's never been this easy with the Omnichef technology. Make sure you visit Smeg Cucina for this recipe and many more.